General Settings houses a range of miscellaneous settings that need to be considered and either enabled or disabled depending on user preference. Automatically update part cost. Enabling this allows the program to automatically store the most recent purchase price for every part that is bought as the default cost price. Automatically update part selling price. Enabling this allows the program to automatically change the selling prices of your parts to ensure they maintain the same profit margin even when supplier pricing increases or decreases. Average labor hourly cost. Enter a value that accounts for the cost that the workshop incurs for performing 1 hour of labor. Show unit cost on jobs. This setting, if enabled, will display an extra column in the job screen that shows the user the cost price of every item that is being sold on the job. Enable Xero AutoSync. If enabled, and if Xero is integrated, will trigger a workshop mate sync to Xero once a day automatically. Motor Vehicle Repairer. Selecting between Form 2 and Form 4 allows you to specify whether you deal in the removal and installation or trading of prescribed car parts or prescribed caravan parts in New South Wales.
EasyCars integration. This option can only be enabled or disabled from an integrated EasyCars account. When ticked, the invoices will automatically be marked as paid without money going through your bank account when the job is synced to EasyCars. If this option is unticked, you must manually enter payments in EasyCars and receipts into WorkshopMate. This is usually needed when a workshop is a separate company to the car yard.
Enable Warranty and Internal Job. This setting, if enabled, shows some additional fields in the job creation screen that allows users to specify whether certain line items need to be billed to themselves instead of the customer or to an external company of their choosing. Enable Mazda Repair Order Integration. This setting will be enabled if the workshop belongs to the Mazda New Car Dealership Network. Prevent negative stock on hand when invoicing. Enabling this will stop users from being able to convert jobs into invoices if any of the items on the job don't have a sufficient stock quantity to cater for the sale. EasyCars integration. Price level for stock sales. This setting relates to the integration of EasyCars with WorkshopMate. It cannot be changed from here. It is shown for visual reference only and can be changed from the EasyCars program. The dashboard settings allow you to change the number of days backwards the graphs on the dashboard are reporting on.